we are using different type of battery devices. I have also created a video about the battery, how it works and what is the mAh, but in this video I am going to tell you about difference between lithium ion and lithium polymer battery. So if you have any questions related to or miss any about the lithium ion and lithium polymer battery, then watch this video till end. I will try to tell you everything about the lithium ion and lithium polymer battery, which can be useful for understanding it properly.
Subscribe the Developer Vikas channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest video updates and notification about uploaded lectures, tricks, deals and other informations.
Hello friends, I am Vikas and you are watching Developer Vikas. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. As we know that if any device we are going to purchase in market like an Android device or any mobile phones, then there was the two categories of the batteries available. One is a lithium ion battery and second is the lithium polymer battery. And there was the some myths and confusion about the lithium polymer battery is good or the lithium ion battery is good. But there was not any big difference between the lithium and lithium polymer battery. It is the used by the way all the companies, and it depends on the which type of device we are making. If the power and energy have same, there was not a very big difference. So if we are going to purchasing any device, then we need to consider only the application of the device, not the batteries, because the battery depends on the consumption of the capacitor, consumption of the circuit, and the power of the battery in a mAh or we want to measure technically. Then I told you in the previous video that we can measure in this power of the battery in watts. So how the performance of the means what is the difference between lithium and the lithium polymer battery? Suppose if you are a owner of any company and want to create a different type of device or any mobile phones, then there was the two options available. First is lithium ion battery and lithium polymer battery. Lithium polymer battery is made by the polymers inside it, and by using lithium polymer battery we can supply high amount of energy instantaneously, and everything of the similar is to as to lithium ion battery. And when we talk about the lithium ion battery, then we are also able to supply this is a slow discharging battery, and we are not able to supply the high amount of energy in a very less time, or you can say particular extent of time. Means it is a slow discharging battery, and there was and one disadvantage of the lithium ion battery. Then we are able to make this type of batteries only rectangular shape, because there was the only one shape available according to this material, because it is the some bulky material, and its weight is very high, and it is very high as considered to the lithium polymer battery. So if you want to create a device and there was not a problem of the space inside its battery, then we are able to use the lithium ion battery. But when we try to making a smooth device or a slick device which is not have sufficient amount of space to place in battery, then we are able to have only one machine, that is lithium polymer battery. Lithium polymer battery has the two advantages. One is the space advantages, and second is the supplying the high amount of current at a particular instant time. If we are considering a high price phone or the drones, or if we are considering high pricing drones or the high pricing mobile phones or the premium smartphones, then it has the lithium polymer battery. Why? Because the lithium polymer battery not requires the much amount of space for placing it, and because it is a lustrous material and is made by the polymer, so we are able to customize the size as well as shape. So if the edges are round and the edges are customized in the different type, then we have option to use the lithium polymer battery. But when the edges are not customized and the pores is not as sleek and bulky, and we have the sufficient space to place the battery, then we are able to use the lithium ion battery. So this is the total concept of the lithium ion and lithium polymer batteries. Both are same, only two disadvantages and advantages are the both. It is one is size and second is energy. So if you have any questions related to lithium and lithium polymer batteries, then please comment on this video. And if you get anything from this video, then please like this video, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Your suggestions are most welcome. And keep visiting on my channel, like this video because it motivates me and gives the enough energy to create new videos which can be useful for understanding properly on different topics.